Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick video for a new series of videos coming up that will explain a little more what is the Windows Registry. Now we will of course take a look at the different classes in the Windows Registry. We'll take a look at how it works, what it does a little more in detail. Of course it's not going to be an extensive series, but it's going to give you an overview of what is the registry in Windows. So the registry, you can have it easily if you are in Windows 7. You can of course go into the start menu and click the run button and type regedit. If you're in Windows 8, Windows 10, you can just search regedit for regedit here and press enter, and you will have of course the Windows Registry pop up on your screen. So the Windows Registry started in Windows 95. It is basically the centralized database of system settings of everything: software, hardware, all sorts of user preferences. When you make a change, even a slight change, say you are changing the color of some of the windows in Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows XP, say you are changing the way the taskbar looks at the bottom, you moved it around the screen. All of that is changing a setting in the registry. That's where everything is, and Windows looks to the registry to know how to basically function with everything that's on your PC. It is something that is the basic of Windows, and there were a lot of talks from time to time, people saying, well, I think the registry is an old system, it should be removed. Problem is, if you remove the registry from Windows and say you do a next version of Windows with no registry, it also means that you have to completely rewrite everything that you have, every software. All the hardware needs to have new types of drivers, new types of software to run. It changes everything, so nothing you have now would be compatible in the next version if that would happen. So that's why Windows is, and Microsoft is kind of stuck with, yes, something that it's kind of a little old, but unfortunately they don't have the option to remove it in the next versions because it would render everything incompatible. So basically, any new hardware installed, any new software, any changes you make, change the registry. Everything. It's done automatically for you, so you don't have to tweak it. But some of you might have seen the registry, even if you're not really, tech enthusiasts, because from time to time you might have had a problem, a little something, and the fix was basically to go to the registry to fix it or change the settings. And this is always a little scary because having people that don't know what to do much with their PC, play in settings, it can be dangerous. One little change in this registry can really make things, basically make or break your Windows operating system. It is divided, as you see on the left, into 5 big classes, which is the H key classes root, H key current user, H key local machine, H key user, and H key current config. And that we will of course have videos explaining each separate key and also explaining a little more on how to find keys or find information that you might be looking for if you have problems or if you want to make a change. And hopefully, even though this is going to be very superficial, because I try to explain it in an easy way for pretty much Mr. and Mrs. everybody, you'll actually have a little more confidence in going into the Windows Registry. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up, and hopefully you enjoy our videos, and hope you enjoy this series on the Windows Registry.